I am going to take you to the most dangerous and fierce place. I am going to take you to the strangest thing in
black
space.
hole.
So let's begin. So, what is a black hole? Well, a black hole, in crude language, is really a very dense object. To give you an estimate on how dense an object should be to form a black hole, squash Earth to the size of a peanut. And hey presto, a black hole! A black hole is a really compact and dense object in space. And because it is really dense and has lot of matter, it has an inexplicably strong gravitational field. But how do black holes form? A black hole is really a afterlife of a star. But what are you saying? I mean that a red supergiant star collapses to form a black hole. This collapse of the star happens in a very short amount of time and in a huge explosion called a supernova. But how exactly does the star collapse? For this, let us take a close look at your body. Inside your body, the atoms are pushing against your skin. Outside the body, air pressure and gravity is pushing against your skin too. Both the forces balance each other and your body remains stable. But let us say the atoms stop to push. Then gravity and air pressure would take over and your body would squeeze into a tiny little ball. Similar things happen inside a star. Inside the star's core, lot of nuclear fuel is being burnt. This nuclear fuel gives out a ton of energy. This energy generates heat. Heat along with the nuclear fuel generates a lot of pressure which keeps the star from collapsing. That means that the pressure from the star and the gravity both balance each other out and the star remains stable. But as soon the fuel passes below a critical level, the pressure gets very less and the gravity takes over and the star collapses. Boom! And a black hole is formed. This collapse of the star is called a supernova. It happens in 15 seconds and it is really powerful. It can send shockwaves very far. Only the stars which have 8 to 15 times the mass of the sun will collapse into black holes. Other stars like the sun will collapse into a white dwarf. Okay, now you must be thinking that black holes are these very greedy eaters that keep on eating up the universe and dangerous. But are they really that dark? Well, they're not that dark. It acts like a thermostat to the universe. A thermostat, when it becomes too hot, the thermostat kicks on the AC. When it becomes too cold, it kicks on the heater. The black hole does the same thing for the universe. There is a lot of dust and gas swirling around the black hole. This disk is called the accretion disk. There are a lot of magnetical fields in this disk. These magnetical fields coil up and come to the topmost part of the black hole. The black hole then emits these fields into space. This field or radiation on its way out to the galaxy removes star-forming gas from the very overcrowded center of the galaxy and deposits the star-forming gas on the very outer edge of the galaxy where there are hardly any stars. This keeps the star population in check. So that's all for now, folks. See you in the next video.